Are you a pro at makeup? Then get out of this video. No, I'm just joking. But on a more serious note, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look, and it is not going to take your time. This is a 5-minute makeup look and it's perfect for beginner. You don't need any technical skill when it comes to makeup because it's just very simple to achieve. Can you see how fresh my face look? This is the ultimate no makeup look because my face is looking fresh, it's looking young, it's looking natural, it's looking like I didn't even apply makeup. Like, if you don't know anything about makeup, you would think I didn't apply makeup, right? Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to create this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to start out with is moisturizing, because if you want that natural beauty look, your skin has to be moisturized first. So I'm going to be using this Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that on my face. So here's the thing, guys, if you want a natural makeup look, you need to follow this step by step. So I'm not going to start out with foundation like I would typically do. I'll start out with concealer because we want to use less product as possible. I'm going to apply on the places that needs to be concealed, the places that have discoloration and unevenness. I'm just going to apply concealer there. I have two concealers right here with me. I have this Zaron concealer. This is really lighter than my skin tone, and I have this LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan, which is very close to my skin tone. So although I want a natural beauty look, I still want my under eyes to be a bit lighter, so that's where this lighter concealer is going to come in. So y'all should just look at how I'm going to do my placement. So I start out with under eyes, you know, dark under eyes. We're trying to avoid that. We want the eyes to be lifted, so apply that there. So I'm also applying on my forehead and also applying on the places I have some pimples. Guys, this particular pimple right here is ripe. So I also want to highlight my nose just because. Should I do my chin? Okay, let's just do it. And here also. So guys, look at where I've placed the concealer. You like it? So guys, I just found out that I was not recording. I think it was just the blush part I didn't record. So basically what I was saying is, if you want a natural looking makeup, like, you can't go wrong with blush. Like, if you are doing a simple basic look, blush should be your go-to. Blush should be one of the most important things in your routine because it gives you a very fresh, natural, young look, and I personally love it a lot. So what I do with this blush, I've been loving I've been loving stick blushes lately. So this one, my Pixie, this is their On The Glow blush. This has a very nice finish to it and it is amazing. So what I do is I just take a little bit and I apply it on my hands to warm it up, and I use my fingers to just blend it into my skin. I can use a brush, it just depends, but today is a natural look, so I'm just using my hands so it just melts into the skin. Personally, I love blush, so I always use a lot, so forgive me if it's too much for you. Now our blush is done. I want to add a little bit of dimension to my face, so my face will not just be flat. So that's where contour comes in, or bronzer or whatever. So this is from MUA Makeup Academy. This is a concealer, but this is in a darker shade. So I'm just going to apply a little bit. But first of all, you guys should know that the reason why I've not yet blended my concealer is because I want it to dry down a bit for more coverage. It's intentional. So what I do, if I want a natural simple look, I'm on the go, I'm rushing 5 minutes, I put the contour on my hands. I take my beauty blender or a brush, depends on you. So I just take a tiny bit and use that to blend. Now let's go back to the concealer. So lately, I don't know what is happening, but I've been really loving why am I always mixing blushes and brushes? I've been really loving using brushes to blend out my concealer. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to blend out the concealer first. Okay, now that our concealer, blush, contour is blended out, I'm going to ask myself, where do I need foundation? Where still needs to be covered up? Where still needs touch up? That's when you add foundation. So if you follow this technique, you won't have to use too much foundation and your face won't feel so heavy. I'm just going to take just one pump. We're not using a lot. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just apply foundation on the places I feel still needs foundation. And I'm also going to use the foundation in between the concealer and the blush, so it will blend together, and in between the concealer and the contour. I'm not using so much foundation like I would use if I did foundation first. So I'll just put one pump, blend the foundation on my hands with the beauty blender, apply just a very thin layer all over the face. Now our face is blended to perfection. If I do say so myself, like, I'm loving this a lot. It looks so beautiful. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. It's time to add powder. Today we're not going to be baking. What is baking? This is natural beauty mode. Like, we don't do baking up in this. We don't do baking. We don't do. Okay, so I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup powder. I'm going to be using a powder puff. I was taking my powder puff, dusting it on my hands and just pressing it into my skin. We're not gonna be baking today. We're rushing. We don't got no time. 5 minutes makeup. So just pressing it in. Set everywhere you applied concealer. I started out with concealer, then I went on with blush, contour, foundation. That's the same order we're going to do the powder part. We've done the liquid part, we're doing the powder part. So I've set the concealer. Now let's go on to the blush. For blush, I'm going to go into the Lydia Stanley palette and just use a bunch of orange and red shade. I'm going to go into this face definer palette and use this to contour my face. I'm going to go into my skin tone powder and just apply a very tiny bit just to blend everything together. Just light taps, not too much. So remember, we don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to do a very quick brow. This is a spoolie. I'm just going to brush up my brow hairs and just use the brow pencil to fill in the brows. So first of all, I just bring out the shape of the brow. Now I've underlined it. What I'm just going to do is use the spoolie to just brush it up. Can you see the difference? Can you see it? You feel it, right? Okay, so this was done in, let me see, less than 5 minutes. Okay, now it's up to you to decide if you still want to conceal the brows, but you can also leave it like this. It still works because we don't got time. This is a 5-minute makeup look, so we're trying to maximize our efforts. This is a natural beauty, natural makeup look, so eyeshadow is really not compulsory, but if you decide to do eyeshadow, let me show you what. I'm going to go into my contour, the same thing I used for contour. Just give my eyes a little bit definition. Apply it all over, all over, all over. Got me calling all over, all over. Something they do with your body, yo. Then I'm gonna go into the powder and just apply on my lid. And that's the eyes done. So if you guys want to know how I do my mascara to make it look very plumpy and, you know, give it that zhuzh, because we're not going to be using lashes for this makeup look, I'm going to leave a card here on my mascara hacks, so you can definitely check it out because it's gonna help you. Okay guys, we're done with the lashes. What do you guys think? It looks good, right? Go and watch that video on how to get your mascara looking peng. You're gonna love it. Now I'm gonna go do my lips. Just taking a brown lip liner. If you guys want a detailed lip tutorial, I have that on my channel. Check it out here. You're gonna love it. We're basically done, but this is optional. You can decide to add a little bit of highlights to just give your face a brighter look. She look good. I look good. I can't lie. And this is the final look, guys. Oh my god, I look so beautiful. This is natural beauty at its peak. This is the ultimate no makeup look because I look so fresh, natural. You know, am I wearing makeup? No, I'm not. I'm not wearing makeup. Are you? I'm not. I don't know about you though, but I'm not wearing makeup. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? And did you learn anything from this video? Please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you guys want me to do a dedicated video of something like this but without any foundation. Let me know in the comment section. I will deliver it for you guys. If you have any video requests, leave it in a comment section below. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, all Mathildaduku. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out the videos here. Don't forget to check out the mascara video so you learn how to do mascara. Okay.